Today I have quite big package. This is an electric scooter from Evercross. It sounds quite interesting. This is model EV10S MAX and this is version with 18 amp hours battery. There are two versions available. Both has 28 volts battery, but one has 18 amp hours and second one has 27 amp hours. The version that I have right here has a range up to 90 kilometers. And the 27 amp hours version has range up to 120 kilometers. So it's a lot. Of course, this is up to range, so it is in perfect conditions. It depends on the temperature, weight of the user, and style of driving. You won't get perfectly that range, but I will test what range I will get in my conditions. But you will get a different result because everyone has different weight and different terrain to drive and different weather and different driving style. So it all matters, but even if you will get 20% less range, it is still a lot. But I will test how much I will get. And it has 500 watts motor with up to 25 kilometers per hour speed, and it can incline up to 18 degrees. So this electric scooter meets EU regulations, so it is fully legal electric scooter. It has mobile app for controlling it. I will check all the functions that the app gives us. It has built-in lights, reflectors and horn, so for safety it has those things. So this is a good electric scooter that cares about the user and their safety. And it has 10-inch tubeless wheels, so they are more durable and more puncture proof, and you don't have to fill them with air. And it should be quite small and portable and easy to fold, so you can easily carry it or put it in your car. So it sounds quite interesting, that's why I'm testing it. So let's unbox it and see how it looks like. It will be easier to open it on the floor and not on the desk. It will be easy for me and easier for you to see everything. And here we have some instruction. Please complete the assembly before taking out the scooter. So first we open the handle, we lock it, we screw something, and we take out full scooter. And those instructions are on the both sides, so it doesn't matter from which side you will open the box. First step done. It was well protected. I had to cut a few of the zip ties and take out a few of the protections. And now it is folded up. The handle is mounted, so let's screw it. But first let's lock this thing. Now it is locked. And here is a bag. Inside there are two papers and we can mount it on the front of the scooter. I will mount it later after taking it out. Here we have more things in the box. Here we have a lock, 5-digit combination lock. I don't know how secure it is. It is probably better to have your own high quality lock, but it's better than nothing. And here we have a mounting for the lock, so it can be mounted to the scooter. Here probably will be charger. There is a charger, that type of the plug, 54.6 volts, 2 amps, 109 watts. So quite powerful. And here we have screws and 2 keys. And here we have instruction, and it requires 6 bolts and we have 4 spare. So we have 3 wrenches and 10 screws. Let's open it. And let's see the rest. Operating manual in 7 languages, quite a lot of pages. Safety and warnings in 4 languages. There are another 4 languages. Declaration of conformity. So we have all the norms for this scooter written right here and all the informations about it. And here's second one. And we have signatures of 2 different people. So let's go back to the scooter. Here are 6 places for the screws and the medium wrench. And 1 screw fell down, but I have spare screws, so I don't have to worry about taking it out from the box, because I can take the spare one for mounting it. And all 6 screws are in. It is locked. Screws are in. So now I should be able to take it out from the box. So let's take it. They even give us a handle on the back to easy take it out. I really like it. And that's everything that is in the box. This handle was really useful. There are a few more protections to remove. And on the back there's a sticker. Prohibit carrying mud guards by hand. So probably we shouldn't carry the scooter by this mud guard because we can break it. Here's protection on the screen with QR code, probably the code for the app. And we have blinkers. Here we have some mounting piece, brake, horn, screen buttons. Here are the lights for the blinkers. And the battery is in the bottom. Here we have another sticker. Warning, fording depth must not be beyond this warning line. And here we have a line. And on the other side is charging port. So quite interesting electric scooter, but I won't test it in this video because right now it's winter, so I wouldn't be able to ride it. But when the weather will be better, I will make second video about this scooter, about testing it, what its real range, how it works. I will check the app, what functions does it have. So there will be second video when the weather will be better. In this video I will make only 1 test, folding this electric scooter, because it should be really easy to fold it and carry it. So let's test this one thing, and that will be the only test in this video. Let's try to fold it without the manual. 1 red button I moved up and unlock it. And here is second red button on the back. When I press it, I've unlocked the rest. And it is folded and easier for transport right now. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.